Hey, I didn't see you come in there. I was just prepping for today's video, trying to get a picture, and I thought of getting a picture of a brain. I think that would look good on a keychain, so I'm just gonna go get a print of this, and I'll see you back. Alright, so we've got our prints. While I was on the way, I also got some other prints over here, musical key and some chocolates. And we'll use this to make some keychains, so let's get right into it. Let's start with cutting this tissue box. Alright, now let's just simply cut the images out. I'm going to use one brain to create a tracer. Now all we have to do is nicely and precisely cut out 10 out of the 12 of these traced out brains.
Now I'm simply going to take each and every one of these outlines and stack them one on top of another to create only one thick outline of a brain, using this classic general craft glue or Elmer's glue, whatever you guys call it.
Let's completely compress this as much as we can. We're going to take a hammer and hit it a couple of times. So we've got the edges more or less nicely smoothed out, and now I'm just going to simply drill a hole right here for where I'm going to later be putting the chain part of the keychain. Now it's normal for this area here to fray a bit since it's made out of layers, but now all we have to do is simply take a little more glue and add it in from the outside and squeeze it in there, and then hammer this area a couple more times. So to attach the chain to the shape, we're going to use some 7mm copper wire. I'm going to simply thread it right through the hole we drilled earlier. I'm going to take the chain, put that through, go one more time inside of the hole, and then I'm gonna take the pliers and tighten this as much as I can. Then I'm gonna go right here through this part of the chain, right there, one more time, and I'm gonna thread it through the hole again. Now none of this will be seen in the end result. You just keep watching to find out. I'm gonna tighten it as much as I can with the pliers, pull it, so we're threading the copper wire a third time. That is the keychain, more or less complete. I added a little yellow outline over here to give it a bit more pop. I think it adds some nice contrast to the keychain itself. The only step remaining now is to simply spray paint this with some spray-on lacquer. They're all nicely lacquered and sprayed. Hanging for drying now. So that is our brain keychain, nicely complete. I've lacquered sprayed it. Now it is nice, smooth and glossy. As you can see, completed. Also very firm key. And you don't need to stop there. You can create a multitude of different shapes and prints on your keychains. For example, I created a flower and some chocolate and even this cake, which is actually called a pizza, and this fish. I also made a musical key and some chicken, and even this hexagonal shaped keychain that actually has a logo from some software called Debian. You could create whatever you want, anything. Your favorite image that you have, you could paste it on a keychain and create any size and shape that you desire just by using the process that I demonstrated. I hope you make a keychain. If you end up making a keychain, send me a picture of it through Instagram at Noah Jaffrey and I will take a look at it. It would be great to see you guys make some keychains. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. It was really fun and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a lychee day.